Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to fix Prizepicks payment failed. So there's many reasons why this could happen. So first things first, you need to make sure you did not make any mistake while inputting your card or account information. Make sure you double check everything before you submit it. And then another reason could be that you're actually in an ineligible state. So you can find the list of eligible states right here. Let me just go ahead and show you real quick. And if your state of residence is ineligible, then you will not be able to make a deposit. Okay, let me show you what these states are. So these are the states where you can actually go ahead and play using Prizepicks. Okay, make sure you're in an eligible state before you do this. Another would be that the deposit method you actually try to use is not currently accepted. For example, you cannot use Chime, American Express, or prepaid gift cards. Just try with the methods that are listed. For example, what is available that I'm aware of is PayPal, debit cards, bank transfer, and credit cards. Okay. Another reason could be that you have met your limit on how many times you can deposit in a specific time frame. So you need to wait at least a full 24 hours before you attempt another deposit. And the name on your deposit method does not actually match the name on your account. So if you are trying to deposit money into your Prizepicks account, the deposit method name on your account should be matching the name that you used to register on Prizepicks. If it does not, your payment will not go through. And another reason would be that the payment method is not already associated with another account. So what happens is if you already used that payment method for another account and you're trying to use this for this account, it will definitely not go through. You can only have one payment method per account. So each account you can only use that payment method for. So you'll have to use that account. And then you're either trying to deposit too much or too little. So you can only deposit more than $10. If you try to do anything less than this, you will get a message of a deposit failed. It's really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.